Hey everyone, this is Jalen with Growth Inspired. I am back with the video, but I'm going to be talking about Equifax. They are the topic of discussion recently due to the fact that there was an error that they made and it affected millions of people within the United States. So they had this oopsie daisies messing up a lot of people's their credit scores, and it impacted significant amount of people regarding whether they were approved or denied for these different kinds of lines of credit, or even for auto loans and such more in between March and April. So check out this video if you want to learn more about it. I'll be talking about it a little bit more, so check this out. So if you didn't know about Equifax, they are 1 out of 3 of the major credit bureaus that report your credit score every month. If you're applying for a line of credit, or if you're applying for a auto loan or a mortgage loan, mostly lenders could potentially use Equifax to pull your credit score to see what's all going on with it. But recently, Equifax released a statement talking about that they had a coding issue in between March and April. But this coding issue, what it did was give a miscalculation on a lot of people's credit score, and that can have a significant impact on whether they were approved or denied for certain kinds of loans during that time period. For example, someone could apply for an auto loan and the lender could have pulled from Equifax, and then they could have got approved but have a higher interest rate than normal due to their false inaccurate credit score. So Equifax stating is, as long as that the consumer stayed within that band, is not a big issue. For example, if they still had a good credit rating or an excellent credit rating or a fair credit rating, that it's not a huge deal, that this down will basically still keep their credit score at a good standing. But it can still impact other people who have, we'll just say, good credit or fair credit or bad credit, and then it just drops even more. For example, they go from fair credit to having bad credit, or to having good credit to knock down to having fair credit to be knocked down to having bad credit. So it can definitely impact a lot of people from that standpoint. So I will say that some people may have been impacted by this, and it is good to know to kind of keep up with it. So what do you need to do if you were affected by this? It's first and good to know that the glitch or the coding issue happened between March 17th and April 6th. So that was the time frame when the glitch happened, and that's when scores may happen to be inaccurate at the time. So if you apply for lines of credit in between that time frame and it left like a hard inquiry and you got denied or anything like that, you can reach out to the creditor and have them investigate it to see the reason why you were denied, if that ever happened to you. So again, if it left a hard inquiry on Equifax during that time period, definitely reach out to the creditor and see if you can get a reply back saying like, why were you denied, and was it because of Equifax? You can potentially challenge that to see if they can remove that inquiry if you were denied and didn't get approved due to this Equifax error. So definitely look into that. A lot of people are saying that it's not a big deal to really challenge it or to really fight it because it's just a few points. But in my opinion, if it can make you jump from one rating to another rating, I feel like, in my opinion, that it is definitely an issue. And if it could have caused you any kind of damage from like getting denied or anything like that, I would definitely try to challenge it if you were facing any kind of those problems. If you want to learn more about challenging stuff on your credit report or disputing, you can look at my other videos. I'm always uploading content. I have previous content talking about disputing, credit repair, and so much more. So if you have any questions or you need to reach out to me, you can reach me at my email, support@growthinspired.info, or you can reach me on my website, growthinspired.net. I'm always checking my email, so don't worry, I will get back with you as soon as possible. If you like this video, like, subscribe, comment your thoughts about it, and I appreciate you guys tuning in and listening to this video. See ya.